Yes.
Okay, so my greeting card is actually a graduation invitation.
Oh, graduate invitation. Will you open?
Well, I made two of them.
Oh, you made two. Okay, tell to me please. The first, yang mana?
The first is this. I made it first.
Oh, I see. And the next?
Next is this.
Okay,
This
please,
is the second.
please read this one. Tolong dibaca.
Graduation invitation, class of 2020. Graduation invitation, class of 2025, SMPN 2 Jombang.
Okay, thank you, Chester. You can put here, but wait. Okay, the next. Yeah, show me, please. Yeah, show me. Yeah. Okay, show me. Yes, that's very. Open it, please. Okay, good. You are very creative, and you open together. Together, please open. Oh, I see. Open, open. Oh, I see. You are very creative. Close it again. Close. Oh, I see. You will get 100 for your greeting card. Okay, and then let's see. Simple but beautiful. Okay, thank you, dear.